We'll guide you through how to fix the Steam corrupt disk error. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
If you are getting this error while downloading or updating a game, follow these steps one by one. The first thing that you need to do is completely close Steam. So just go ahead and close the Steam, and you can even go to the hidden icons, and if Steam is here like so, you can just right click on it and click on exit Steam. Now you can also go ahead to the taskbar and choose task manager, or you can press Ctrl Shift and escape key on your keyboard and search for Steam. And if you see any of the process by the name of Steam, you can just right click on it and end the task. So in my case, Steam is now closed completely. You can also go to the details tab and locate Steam, and if you find any of the process by the name of Steam, you can just right click on it and you can end the task from here also. Now just go to your Windows search bar and search for Steam, and once you find Steam, you can just choose to run it as an administrator. So I'll just click on run as administrator and confirm yes when prompted, and after that I'll just wait for Steam to boot up. And once Steam opens, just click on Steam on the top left corner and go to settings. Then just go to the downloads tab and scroll down, and you will see clear download cache. Just click on clear cache, and just note that this will clear the local download cache and restart Steam, and you will need to log into Steam account again. If you are comfortable with that, just click on confirm. And after logging back in, check if your issue is fixed. If you are still getting the error, just go to your library, find the game that is causing the issue. I'll just right click on it and go to the properties tab, and from the options just choose installed file and click on view integrity of files. This will scan the game files and replace anything that's corrupted. Wait for it to reach 100%, and now just go back to Steam settings once again by just going to Steam and going to settings. And once you are in the settings, just go to the storage tab. From here, just click on the three dot just beside your drive and choose to repair library. This will check your Steam library for any issues and fix them automatically. Once it is done, just click on close. If none of these steps work, the final option is to uninstall and reinstall the game. Sometimes the corrupted file cannot be repaired, and a fresh install is the easiest fixed. And that's it. These methods should help you fix the Steam corrupt disk error and get your game downloading or updating normally again. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to GuideRealm for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.